Man, fuck this shit, I'm jerking off.
Master, I'm tired of picking cotton. Please give me another job. Holy shit.
This is not real. It's just a dream. Please, please, wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
You take some chocolate and some lobster and some eggs and some pie and then you mix it in your body, shit it up.
Comrade Dog, you must take Mosin. Here, you take Mosin. It is good rifle. You will kill the Germans. You must protect motherland. It is your duty.
Open my stream, open my stream.
Gromit, did that tree just speak Vietnamese?
What's he gonna do? Oh!
He's pulling his cock out.
Hey Mario.
Hey, paisan!
Nothing's moving. The only thing I found is this little box. What's inside? What? It's a box? A box of... That's ridiculous. You can't put a in a box.
If you design a quest where I need to follow an NPC and they move slower than my running speed but faster than my walking speed, you are banned from making video games for 1 year. If you design a quest where I need to follow an NPC, you are banned from making video games for 1 year. If you design a quest where I need to follow an NPC, you are banned from making video games. If you design a quest, you are making video games. If you design, you are making. If you an NPC, you are from video games. If you move slower than my running speed, you are gone. Among Us.
So you must go.
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music. Yes, really. If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Trust me on this one. You don't want to know. Audrey, don't tell him. You shouldn't have told me, but you did. And now I'm telling you, you don't want to know.
Sunny day.
My business. All I hear is check it out, so y'all look up. It's one of the ops. He woo out the bell. Woo out the bell. He walking closer. He woo out the bell. He swing, miss. Meek, mocky, mookie, meek. He hit ground. I realized I had wee boot on our feet.
This gap right here, because of that,
I'm able to tell that this car's been in an accident.
Jesus, don't hands me all you fucking want, bro. You think you fuck? You need to fucking quit, stupid fuck!
This is a snack. If you're afraid of snacks, then it's a nope rope. Like if you go to the bathroom and you see this, nope rope. And if a nope rope has poisonous venom, then it's a danger noodle, like the shake snake and the cobra. Do not boop, or you will get the hurt juice. But if you love the snacks, then it's a boop noodle. Look at that cute snoot. Deserves a boop. Snacks also have peepers, noodle necks, smelly flickers, and nom nom seekers. Those are for finding cheese boys. Other names for nope ropes are slippery tube dudes, hazard spaghetti, spicy noodles, caution ramen, and murder spagurter. Whatever you call them, just remember, no step on snack. There are many kinds of snacks, like Big Thick Boy, Slim Boy, also known as the Judgmental Shoelace, Original Snack, Uggo But Still Lovo Snack, and Screaming Worm Boy. And can't forget the lovely noodle ball. Look at that little pupper face. Noodles have many activities. Snacks eat snacks, ropes do scopes, when they're tired they do a yawn. Sometimes snacks wear a sweater, and if you're lucky, they'll wear a hat. Top hat, party hat, this hat, that hat, wizard hat.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Hate me, tell me how you hate.
We can go now. Okay.
No. We're completely fucked, We're completely fucked.
So what are you supposed to be?
I'm Scottish.
No.